Hi, I'm Barbara Davis from Ken Davis Barbecue Sauce. Our products are all gluten-free. And it says so right there on the label. You probably can't see that, but it says right there on the label they're gluten-free. And for those of you who don't have a problem, that's no big deal. But for people, the millions of people who have gluten intolerance, who are allergic to wheat, or who have celiac disease, this is a big deal. And it's getting more common every day. I bet not a day goes by that we don't get a call from somebody wanting to know about gluten. What happens in your body when you have gluten is that when you eat it, it triggers a response in your small intestine that causes you not to be able to digest certain nutrients. So if your kid is suddenly not able to digest his food, you might look into whether he has some gluten intolerance. Gluten is the protein that is found in wheat, barley, and rye. So people with gluten intolerance have to avoid those products. None of our sauces have any of those products in them. You can trust Ken Davis. For more information, go to kendavis-bbq.com.